In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find the leaderboards for multiplayer or zombies here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, let's say you want to see how you stack up against your friends, streamers, or even globally. You can actually filter the leaderboards by week, month, or even all time, which is really useful. To do this, what you're going to want to do is go up to this top tab and go ahead and select on career, which is the fourth tab up at the very top. And then once you're in here, go ahead and select stats down at the very bottom. Now, inside stats, you're going to see your combat record, your medal collection, and then, of course, you're going to see your leaderboards here as well. This is what you're going to want to click. Now from here, you could choose between multiplayer, zombies, and even Dead Ops Arcade 4, which is pretty crazy. But essentially choose whatever you'd like. I'm just going to choose zombies, for example. And you could browse things like, eliminations, rounds, critical damage, maps. And then if you select on any of these, you're going to see there's a friends only tab right here. You're also going to see that there's going to be, if you take this off, all those global leaderboards and even a filter option up the top, which allows you to filter through solo, squad, whatever. That's really all there is to it. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.